Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be just messing around with a 78 Ford back here, and we're just going to put some seafoam in the engine through the carburetor, just to kind of see what we can do to the engine, because it definitely runs rough. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to do it, and let's go on from there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cover of the carburetor off, and in fact, just kind of remove this air filter as well, just so we can see inside there. Put that aside, and then you can take your seafoam here, and then it comes with a little attachment. Make sure it's the spray stuff, not the gas one where you just pour it into the gas tank, basically. So we're just gonna put it on its little clip here, and then it has a little bendy piece, which you can put it down straight into the carburetor right there, like that. So basically, so you don't burn yourself or do anything funky while you're at it. Then you just keep it on there, put it in, and then you want to make sure you warm up. I made sure to warm up the engine for like a few minutes just to make sure it was all warm, because then you want to start the engine again and then spray this in while it's nice and warm and running, and then afterwards you're gonna turn it off and let it heat soak for like 10-15 minutes after you spray the whole can inside. And then at that point you just run it out completely. You take it for a spin basically and run everything out and get all that carbon deposits off, and hopefully it cleaned it all up. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and try and do. We're just gonna put this in here since we already warmed it up, so we're just gonna put it in here, start it up, and spray it all in, see what we can get. Alrighty, hope she starts. Come on. There we go. Definitely runs a little rough. Okay, now we're at an idle. So now we can spray all the stuff in. There we go, and now with the can completely empty, we can turn it off and let it heat soak for about 10-15 minutes. Just kind of seeps into everything inside the engine, and then we'll come back and then we'll see what it did. All right, we are back. We let it heat soak for a little bit, and then I ran it for a little bit. It definitely has some weird problems, like, I don't know, something with the gas, or like something with the carburetor. I might have to like rebuild the carburetor, maybe something weird. So we're gonna keep figuring that out, but it worked. It seemed to go in pretty good. It kind of ran better when I actually had it going into the engine, so I think it did something. So that's how you put it in there anyways. Don't be scared when it smokes, because it's definitely going to smoke, because there's going to be treatment going through it, your car. And other than that, it should be doing its job, right? And otherwise you can put it in the gas tank as well. There's like other ways to do that as well. But yeah, that's what I did with 78 Ford. Hopefully we can get other stuff done on it and kind of get it back and running. Maybe even have to do an engine swap, but who knows. And then yeah, thanks for sticking around for this one, and I will see you guys in another video. Like, there's a playlist right there. Click on it. Maybe subscribe. Check out my Instagram down below. So, all right, thanks for guys, and I will see you later. Whoop.